This is your moment, right here, right now. The world isn't waiting, time isn't slowing down, and the question is, will you rise, or will you let today slip away? Because every great story starts with a single decision, to take the first step. Every day is a new beginning, a fresh chance to chase your dreams, to rise above your doubts, to become better than you were yesterday. Because success isn't given, it's earned. Through sweat, through persistence, through moments of struggle when no one is watching. There will be days when you would want to quit, when the weight of failure feels too heavy. But remember, failure is not the end. It's a lesson, a stepping stone, a test of how much you truly want it. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is simple. Those who make it never stop. They push forward, even when it hurts, even when the world says they can't. Always believe in yourself, because you have greatness within you. You have strength beyond measure. You have the power to change your life, to inspire others, to write your own story. So go, chase your dreams, conquer your fears, live the life you were meant to live. The world is waiting for you. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Stay motivated, stay strong, and keep pushing forward.